This video I will cover a traditional basket of the tribes of Tripura. This basket is used by the Tripuri, Riang, Jomatia, Noatia, Mog, etc. tribe. In their local language, they are called it is Kuturuk. This basket is made with bamboo and its can. Please open the door of basket. Please see here. It is mainly used for keeping cloth, gold and silver. It is used as like almirah. Thank you. এটা তুমি দেখেছো পড়তে? ইয়াং টাইপসকে ইউজ করতে দেখেছো?
না।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। In recent time this basket are not using, but in ancient time tribes of Tripura was use this basket. Thank you.